Do you want to make money from scrap? In that case, consider recycling old car tires into something cool. There are several project ideas you can consider making by using old car tires, which are readily available in most areas. You can make money by selling your recycled car tire projects. These projects could be in the form of decorative pieces or functional and decorative altogether. Repurposing old car tires is a sustainable and profitable business idea that has gained traction in recent years. With increasing environmental concerns and the need for innovative recycling methods, entrepreneurs are finding creative ways to turn discarded tires into valuable products. Before diving into repurposing tires, it's crucial to understand the market. The tire recycling market is growing, driven by increased awareness of environmental issues and the demand for sustainable products. Old tires pose a significant environmental hazard, with millions of tires disposed of improperly each year. By repurposing these materials, one can provide eco-friendly alternatives while tapping into a lucrative market. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of money-making car tire repurposing ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Repurposing old tires presents an excellent opportunity to educate communities about sustainability and environmental responsibility. Engaging in tire repurposing projects allows individuals to develop valuable DIY skills. Learning to transform old tires into functional or artistic pieces encourages creativity and resourcefulness. These skills can be applied to other areas, promoting a hands-on approach to problem solving. Before starting your business, conduct thorough market research. Identify local demand for repurposed tire products, potential competitors, and pricing strategies. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, and financial projections. Ensure compliance with local regulations regarding waste management and recycling. You may need permits for collecting and processing tires. Research environmental regulations and adhere to safety standards in your operations. When repurposing tires, it is essential to ensure that they are safe for their intended use. For example, playground equipment must meet safety standards to prevent injuries. Additionally, precautions should be taken to avoid using tires that may have been damaged or contaminated. Establish a brand that emphasizes sustainability and creativity. Your brand identity should resonate with environmentally conscious consumers. Consider a memorable name, logo, and messaging that clearly communicate your mission. Offer a variety of products to attract different customer segments. This could include seasonal items, custom designs, and limited edition pieces. Diversification can help stabilize income during slow seasons. Streamline your production process to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Invest in proper tools and equipment to enhance your processing capabilities. Consider collaborating with others or hiring part-time help during peak seasons. Utilize online marketing strategies to expand your reach. Create engaging content, such as tutorials on how to use your products or tips for sustainable living. Use email marketing to keep customers informed about new products and promotions. Collaborate with local businesses, such as garden centers, home decor shops, and eco-friendly retailers. These partnerships can help increase your visibility and reach a larger audience. Deliver exceptional customer service to build a loyal customer base. Respond promptly to inquiries, address concerns, and seek feedback to improve your products and services. Repurposing old car tires is not only a viable business opportunity, but also an effective way to contribute to environmental sustainability. By transforming discarded tires into valuable products, entrepreneurs can tap into a growing market while promoting eco-friendly practices. With thorough research, careful planning, and a commitment to quality, you can establish a successful tire repurposing business that benefits both your wallet and the planet. As you embark on this journey, remember that creativity and innovation are key. Explore new ideas, adapt to market demands, and remain flexible in your approach. With determination and passion, you can make a significant impact in the recycling industry while achieving financial success. Community projects focused on repurposing old tires can bring people together. Collaborative efforts, such as community gardens or art installations, can strengthen community bonds and promote teamwork. These initiatives foster a sense of belonging and pride in the community. Certain regulations may govern the use and repurposing of tires, particularly in commercial applications. It is crucial to understand and comply with local laws regarding waste management and safety standards. While repurposing can save money in the long run, there may be initial costs associated with tools, materials, or workshops needed to transform tires effectively. Individuals and communities should consider their budget and resources before starting a repurposing project. Repurposing old car tires offers a multitude of benefits, from environmental sustainability to creative applications, health advantages, and economic opportunities. By reducing waste, conserving resources, and creating unique products, we can contribute to a more sustainable future while also enhancing our communities and personal spaces. As we navigate the challenges of modern life, embracing the art of repurposing can empower individuals and communities to take action towards a greener, more sustainable world. Whether you choose to create a beautiful garden, functional furniture, or imaginative playground equipment, the possibilities are endless. Repurposing old tires is not just a trend, it is a movement towards innovation, creativity, and environmental responsibility. So, gather your old tires, unleash your creativity, and join the movement to make a positive impact on our planet. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked money-making car tire repurposing ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.